A little run there. Sag here. And we're going to do some repair and paint. Let's see what we can do with this. Here's the trunk, but that's where the engine goes. See if we can feather this out, clean it up a little bit. We'll paint it. And there's a little something there about do the repair there and paint. Let's check to see if it's single stage or clear coated. Let's see. And it's clear coated. Clear coated. Let's check the rest of the parts. That one's not clear coated. That one's single stage. Okay. Got blue, single stage. So we got clear coated, got single stage. Let's see what we got here. The scoops. And we got clear coated. So these are clear coated. That's single stage. Let's check the other part. Let's check it right here. And single stage. So look how ugly that looks. Wow. Okay, I'm doing a little repair here, and it's been repaired already. Someone's repaired it. So what I'm going to do is, instead of just putting body filler, I'm going to put the reinforced filler with fiberglass, just so we don't have any shrinkage, just in case this repair will show through. So I'll put this stuff over it before I put the body filler on both sides, so we don't have any issues of shrinkage. And I'll show you what I'll use. I'll use this stuff. All right, got the parts off of it, ready to clean it up, get the work done. So, sanding this part, hit all the spots, sand the whole thing down, getting ready for paint. This part's not perfect. It's a race car, so it's not going to be a showpiece, but I'm going to make it better than it was. So, here we go. So what happens here, you go mask it off, the paint, the clear coat comes off because somebody didn't prep it. Nobody sands their shit. You just do it quick. 5 seconds of sanding. That's what you get. A shiny surface somebody cleared over.
Print and marketing expert. And 61visitstaples.com/print for details.
But real progress is achieved only working hand in hand with the people, and at the work party, we have it very clear. In Baja California, we want the transformation to keep going. That is why, with your vote from the Senate,